Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're unpacking a massive topic, the silent wealth drain, and exactly how you can keep your money in retirement. Right off the bat, I want you to picture this scenario. Two people retire on the exact same day with the exact same amount of money in the bank. They've got similar pensions, same government benefits, and they both grinded for decades to finally get here. Fast forward 15 years. You'd probably expect their lives to look pretty much identical, right? Well, as you're going to see, the reality is often drastically different.
Okay, let's dive into this, because the contrast is honestly startling. On one hand, we've got our first retiree. 15 years in, they're traveling the globe, comfortably helping the grandkids with college tuition, and, maybe the best part, sleeping peacefully every single night. But then look at the other side. Our second retiree, who started with the exact same nest egg, is constantly refreshing their bank app. They're cutting back on basic groceries and literally lying awake at night stressing about whether their money's going to last. So what happened? It wasn't some lucky stock pick, no one won the lottery here, and they didn't magically earn twice as much during their careers. The absolute biggest difference, the real defining factor, came down to small, totally normal-seeming financial decisions they made every single month.
There's this quote I absolutely love, and it perfectly nails what we're talking about today. Retirement isn't just about how much money you save, it's about how much money you keep. See, financially successful, wealthy retirees, they aren't relying on extreme penny pinching or weird budgeting hacks. Not at all. Instead, they focus relentlessly on practical, everyday habits that quietly protect their wealth, year after year. Today, we're going to put those habits under a microscope and show you how tweaking just one of them could literally leave you with thousands of extra dollars over the next decade.
Now, before we tackle the absolute biggest drain on retirement wealth, and we will get to that, we have to talk about the first major decoy. We call it the upgrade illusion. You see, wealthy retirees don't chase upgrades, they chase value. Take David, for example. He's a retired accountant, and he happily uses a laptop that's pushing 8 years old. His friends joke about it, his grandkids tease him when they visit, but David, he just smiles, because that ancient laptop still does exactly what he needs. He pays his bills, emails his family, reads the news. He completely refuses to drop $2,000 just because a shinier model hit the shelves.
But let's be real, David's mindset is super rare. Every single day we are just bombarded with the pressure to upgrade, right? A new phone with a camera that's 5% better, a slightly smarter TV, redesigned kitchen appliances, that brand new vehicle smelling fresh off the lot. Companies spend billions, literally billions of dollars to convince us that last year's perfectly fine model is suddenly garbage. And sure, none of these purchases seem totally crazy in the moment. But if you're constantly upgrading stuff over a 20-year retirement, you are quietly flushing away tens, maybe even hundreds of thousands of dollars just to have the newest version of something you already had.
Financially successful retirees get this secret that advertisers really hope you never figure out. A product doesn't just become useless because something newer exists. These folks would way rather watch their investments grow than their monthly payments. So before they replace absolutely anything, they ask themselves one ultimate clarifying question. Has this stopped doing its job? If the answer is no, boom, the money stays right there in the bank account.
But as much as upgrading your tech can cost you, we really need to pivot sharply to the main culprit of our explainer today. Because this next habit, it is way more dangerous. And it doesn't involve one massive, flashy purchase at the mall. No, this is a slow, emotional, monthly leak that completely drains your wealth. It's so dangerous exactly because it is completely passive. Most of us don't even realize it's happening until the damage is already done. I am talking, of course, about recurring subscriptions.
Just imagine opening up your bank statement and seeing this laundry list of slow leaks. $14.99 here, $22 there. You've got a fitness membership, 3 different streaming services, cloud storage, premium grocery delivery, music apps, maybe even an app you downloaded a year ago and forgot about. On their own, they look totally harmless. But listen to this. There was this retired couple from Alberta who decided to actually sit down and review every single recurring payment on their accounts. They figured they'd find maybe 2, maybe 3 active subscriptions. Well, they uncovered 12. 12! Some hadn't been touched in months. One was for a meal delivery service they'd completely forgotten they even signed up for, and another was a workout app they ditched after 3 weeks.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the immediate result of that quick audit. By simply hitting cancel on those forgotten unused services, this couple instantly cut their monthly expenses by almost $180, all in a single afternoon. Now, I know what you're thinking. $180 a month might not sound like yacht money right out of the gate. But you have to remember, retirement is a long game.
Let's actually look at how that math compounds. That $180 a month, that balloons into a massive $2,000 leak every single year. $1,000, just vanishing into thin air annually for services they literally weren't using. This is exactly why recurring subscriptions are the absolute biggest silent drain on your wealth. They're invisible, they run on autopilot, and they compound aggressively against you over time.
A $2,000 loss in 1 year hurts, sure. But the true 15-year opportunity cost, it is absolutely staggering. If that money had been kept, if it had just stayed invested instead of being thrown away on forgotten apps and rotting meal kits, it could have grown into tens of thousands of dollars over a 15-year retirement. It really depends on the market, but the point is, those tiny monthly charges aren't just costing you their face value today, they are literally robbing you of the future growth of that money.
Now, I want to be super clear here, because there is absolutely zero shame in paying for things that actually bring you joy. Seriously, if you watch a specific streaming service every night, keep it. If you're hitting the gym every week, that membership is probably worth its weight in gold. The problem is not paying for stuff you love. The goal here is just to stop paying for the stuff you've totally forgotten about. And really, the only way to find and plug those hidden leaks is by doing a routine financial checkup.
And this brilliantly illustrates the simple 3-step framework that wealthy retirees use every few months to plug those exact leaks. Step 1, go through and review all the recurring payments on your bank and credit card statements. Step 2, ask the golden question for every single one of those items. And Step 3, cancel the unused services right then and there. And look, they don't do this because they can't afford a $15 charge. They do it because they understand a fundamental truth of keeping your wealth. Small leaks will eventually sink big ships.
So, what exactly is that golden question in Step 2? It's simple. Ask yourself, if I weren't already paying for this today, would I sign up again? I mean, it is the ultimate filter for recurring subscriptions. Look at your cloud storage, look at that premium grocery delivery, and just be honest with yourself. If the answer is no, then that service is just coasting on the momentum of a past decision. You got to cancel it immediately.
As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a final thought here. Because let's face it, spending is deeply emotional. Ask yourself, are your monthly habits making you wealthy or just making you look wealthy? Upgrading to the absolute newest phone and having a dozen premium subscriptions might make you look rich on the surface, but true financial freedom in retirement, that comes from keeping your money, actively managing those silent recurring drains, and plugging the leaks before they sink your ship. So it's time to check your own accounts, ask that golden question, and take back control of your wealth.